sit your ass down. Or if you're not going to do, go and go count the grey hair them with upon your blood clot front. You hear me say? Go and go count the grey hair them on the armpit and your blood clot front and come back to me. Go learn to go wash your front before you come back and talk to me. Alright? Go and wash your stinking front before you come back, yes. Alright? Go wash your molly pussy before you come back on my life. Or call back my name. Because I just not like your dirty stinking ways them. I am not gonna say I hate you. I hate you, man. I just cuss you. Because you know say I can't cuss you. I don't hate you. If I see you in the street, me say hello, me liar. He's a fucking liar and a mischief maker and a fucking storyteller bitch. You're so bitter. And everything we give people you talk back. Me help them with one container. Then they had nothing. Ras. Health institution also. Check yourself. Not get it in your head because I don't want you. Don't put it in your head. I try to bring out things that I want you. I don't want you. Go. Dirty nigga. Go. Nasty nigga. Dirty nigga. Go bed. I don't want to go there with you. I have little respect for you, but I don't have none right now. Yeah. Yeah, wipe up. Where wipe? Yeah, wipe up. Who wipe up? Who wipe up? When I can use hot water. Who wipe up? Who let me something there? Eh? Who wipe up? You're in my category, man. You need help. Oh God, you need help, man. And you're calling out for help, and we ignore you. Self. How can you build me? Have nothing going on for yourself? Tell me. Disgrace. Disgrace. I be a feminine name I call up for the other day. What's out my name? Be a flex this, flex that, flex this, flex. Mo friend you so. Mo friend you so. Bad mind all crosses, my friend so. Yeah man, you may attack. Bad mind all crosses. Vagabond, parasite, Delilah. All of the crosses, them your crosses. Yeah man, your destruction. Your destruction. I tell you that today, your destruction. Bill up, what you mean? Tell me about that one bill up. Bill up who? If she won't build me up, should I buy me a car right now? If she won't build me up, should I buy this for me? If she won't build me up, should I buy me this? If she won't build me up, should I buy me this? In your face, rub it. Yes, I feel me. Rub it in your face, Jezebel spirit, girl. This a for me. There. Watch the bitch. And it go like this. Bitch. Yeah. But you know about me. Stop catch up in a people place. Stop in a people rent place. Stop go bother people yard. Stop be a bother to people asking them for $10, $20. Stop be a bother to people directly, lady. Stop be a bother to people. People can't know good people. Yeah, dirty people can't know good people. All I do is what's just nice to you. This I know that you don't build me. Bitch, you don't build me. You can't build yourself. When you can't build yourself, when you have something going, then you can come back and talk to me. But for now, keep your ranking ass quiet, or Jezebel. Sit down in the corner there and no move. Sit your old ass right there, so, and no move. I go wash out your ranking drawers them before you come back and talk to me. You are not in my category, bitch. Go easy for you. I would not come sleep with you. These are 20 years, and you not accomplish nothing. Something wrong. Something wrong. Something totally wrong, baby love. I know where we have